Educreations in your classroom by your instructional technology team. What is Educreations? It is a web-based whiteboard application that can be accessed via an iPad app or through the internet on any computer that supports Flash. Don't worry if you don't have access to a classroom set of iPads. The internet version does have an interactive whiteboard feature. There are many different ways that students and teachers can use Educreations to support learning. Teachers can create lessons for students to view via the iPad or desktop computers. Students can create and explain their thinking. Teachers and students can browse the free public directory for student and teacher-created lessons. The possibilities are endless when using Educreations with students. Please visit www.dps61.org/tech-resources to view the Student Creation Examples document. Now, let's create your own free account. Go to www.educreations.com and click Sign Up for Free. Click Teacher and type in your information. Type in your location and school name. Now you are ready to create your first course. This is important if you want to have access to the Educreation lessons your students create. Create a name for your course such as Mrs. Smith's 3rd grade. Choose a subject area and choose if you want your teacher-created lessons visible to only your class or the entire school. Student-created lessons are not shared with the entire school if you choose this option. Only the teacher-created lessons are visible to the entire school. Add a short description of your class and click Create. Now you're ready to add students to your class. In order for students to be added to your class, the students must log into Educreations using the web link or class code unique for your class. If a student has not created an account, they can do so by either going to www.educreations.com or using the class web link. Click on the gear in the lower right-hand corner. Click Log In, Sign Up. Tap Free Account. Tap Student. If you have a course code, tap Yes. If not, tap No. Type your course code if you tapped Yes. If you tapped No, then you will skip this step. Type in all the fields available. The username for students does not need to be an email address. Now you're ready to begin your first lesson. A PDF of this slide will be available at www.dps61.org/tech-resources. Here are a few tips on creating your first lesson. By double tapping on the colors, a variety of colors will open. To undo the last action, click on the left arrow to undo the last action. Tap on the eraser to erase anything that was created by the freehand tool. Tap on the T to type text. To move the text to a different location on the page, simply hold your finger on the text and move the text to a different spot. To change the color of the text, tap on the color box in the upper left-hand corner of the keyboard. To add an image to a slide, click on the landscape icon next to the T. You will have 4 options: Camera, Photo, Dropbox, and Web. To insert an image from the web, tap Web, and then type the name of the image in the search bar in the upper portion of the screen. To insert an image from the web that you find, hold your finger on the image and wait until the image processes and goes to the next screen. Now the story is ready to record. To record, tap the record button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. When done recording, tap the stop button in the upper right-hand portion of the screen. Create a title and a short description of your story or project and click Next. And then the final step is clicking Save in the upper right-hand corner. The student got access to the web link by going to edmodo.com, and the teacher posted the web link on the Edmodo class page. The student can either sign in to add the course or can sign up to view your teacher's course. This student is going to sign up to view the teacher's course. To sign up for a student account, students must enter first name, last name, email or username, and password. Students do not need to use an email address. They can just use a username. The student account is now ready to use. The first page the student will see will be the dashboard. On the left-hand side, the student can see the classes he or she has joined. To create a lesson via the internet, the teacher or student clicks on their name in the upper right-hand corner and clicks Create New Lesson. When clicking Record on the internet, make sure to allow access for Adobe to have access to the microphone. When you are done recording, click Save. You can either save, preview, or start over. By clicking Save, you can now name your title of your lesson, choose your subject area, and include a short description. Now the student and the teacher both have access to the lesson. The teacher can now access the student lesson by clicking on the course name. Click on Students, and then click on the student's name that you wish to view. Click on the lesson, and then click Play. Thank you for watching this tutorial on educreations.